In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Calendly. We'll keep this simple and clear. You're going to open your availability area, then update the times that work for you. This controls when people can book time on your calendar, so taking a minute to set it thoughtfully will save you a lot of back and forth later. Start by heading into Calendly and opening availability. This takes you to your scheduling view, where you'll see your week laid out, along with the time zone shown near the top. Think of this page as the master switchboard for when you're open for meetings. If the time zone shown doesn't match where you are, pause and make sure it's correct before you make changes. Your availability will be interpreted through that time zone. Now, edit the time you like. Click on a day to adjust its hours. You'll see an existing time range for that day. Select it and update the start and end times to match your real schedule. For example, if you want to take meetings from 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then again from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m., create two separate ranges so you've got a midday break built in. If you don't want to offer meetings on a particular day, remove that day's time range so it's unavailable. Keep an eye on the small details. A half-hour tweak can make your calendar feel much more manageable. Work through each day you plan to offer meetings. Try to be realistic about energy and context switching. If you know you're most focused in the morning, give yourself a later start or a shorter window on those days. If you meet with people across time zones, consider setting a slightly wider range on certain days to accommodate them and a tighter range on others so you don't burn out. As you edit, think about natural buffers. Instead of cramming the entire day with back-to-back availability, leave gaps by shortening your windows or splitting them into blocks. That way, Calendly can only place meetings in the times you've planned for. You'll see your updates reflected right away, so you can quickly scan the week and confirm it looks the way you want. That's all there is to it. Open availability, then edit the time you like to match your working rhythm. A few thoughtful adjustments here give you control over your day, reduce rescheduling, and help every meeting land at a time that works for you. When you're happy with the layout, you're ready to start sharing your booking link with confidence.